The 2023 to 2024 Nissan Rogue key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. First, locate the emergency key slot on the side of the fob. Insert the key and twist to release the key blade. This may not be necessary. Use a small flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the fob at the seam, starting at the key slot. Carefully separate the two halves, avoiding excessive force to prevent damage to the internal rubber seal. Once open, use the screwdriver to pry out the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation, positive side up, before removal to ensure correct installation of the new battery. Working on a non-conductive surface helps prevent static discharge. With the old battery removed, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side faces up towards the circuit board. Align the fob halves and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the lock-unlock buttons near your Nissan Rogue to confirm the signals are working. If your fob has a remote start button and it fails to function after battery replacement, you may need to reprogram it at a dealership. Proper reassembly is crucial. User error accounts for the majority of key fob issues post-replacement. Replacing the battery yourself typically costs $5 to $10 and takes just 2 to 5 minutes. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly.